Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to come on and do a really quick recipe that I got from Nomadic Introvert. She did this recipe, I want to say about a month ago or less. And it's really quick, it's really simple, and it is so good. I have made it for my friends, myself multiple times, and it's a vegetable recipe. It's kind of like a stir fry. You can use rice, quinoa, or rice noodles, or whatever you prefer. So today I'm going to be doing it with the rice noodles, but I have done it with rice also. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just heating up a little oil so I can saute my peppers just a little bit. So I have red and yellow peppers, so I'll just add in. You don't have to do that. I just like them a little bit softer, so that's why I just let them saute for a bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the skillet ready to saute my walnuts and season them just a little bit. And I'll be using the kikyo plant-based butter. I think I'm just going to move these to the back because that was heated also. And move that forward. For this recipe to be so simple, it's really amazing how good it is. So I have the 365 chopped walnuts. I can show you guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me turn on my other light. I was in such a hurry to get started. And that's probably why it's so good. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some walnuts. And you put in as many or as little as you like. I tend to like mine a little bit more with more walnuts in it. Add a little pepper. So 365 black peppercorn pepper. And this is the Trader Joe's sea salt. A little salt. And I'll add some 365 garlic powder. And then also the 365 onion powder. Check the peppers. And I don't like them mushy, but like I was saying earlier, I just like them not so firm. And then the greens that I'm going to use is the Man's Power Blend. It's a superfood with Brussels sprouts, cabbage, broccoli, carrots, and kale. And this is it. Let me move this back a little bit. Now I've used this, I used the Rainbow Blend, the Man's Rainbow Blend for my coleslaw that I use. But this is really good. And per serving, you can use like a half a bag. You don't even have to use the whole bag. Or a quarter of a bag. I mean, whatever you prefer. Toss my walnuts a little bit. And I'm not trying to brown them or anything. And excuse the noise in the background. That is my kittens playing. I have two kittens. They're sisters. Their name is Sage and Time. And I mean, they are constantly wrestling. It's just, I don't know. So I didn't want to lock them in a room where I tape. So please excuse them. I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my Power Blend. And I'm going to use the whole half a bag. I'm just rinsing these off a little. Let them drain. And then I'll go ahead and put them in a skillet with the walnuts and the seasoning. But since this already has so many vegetables already in it, you don't have to add a lot more. I'm going to be using sweet soy sauce once I get the greens in. And even though these greens, they have Brussels sprouts in them, I just like extra Brussels sprouts. I'll go ahead and add in my onions. And I'm just doing everything pretty much to taste. There is like not a special measurement for this. It's really all about what you like. Let me check my peppers. My trusty steak knife. Just let my peppers just a little bit more. And I think I'll add them in. And then I'm going to add in some of the sweet soy sauce that I told you guys about. Not a whole lot. Just a little more than I wanted. And I'll just stir a little bit. And then I'm going to put a lid on about 5 to 10 minutes until the veggies are soft. And that's just really pretty much it. The other thing that I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to start my rice noodles. And these are, I got these from Whole Foods. Let me pull back a little bit. And like I was saying earlier, you can use the rice noodles. You can use just regular rice, quinoa, whatever you really, you really want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and get the noodles on, and then I'll be back in a moment. So guys, this is what the vegetables are looking like right now. And we are just going to wait for the water to boil so we can put it over the rice noodles. So you don't really need to cook this that long. Just about 10 minutes. Just kind of depending on what level tenderness you want your vegetables to be. Yeah, I'm just going to give this a few more minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I do my rice noodles, which is really simple and you don't need an explanation, but I thought I'd share anyway. Alright guys, be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and get my noodles ready. And these are the instant rice noodles that I use. They come like 5 servings to a bag, and they're already pre-measured. So that's really convenient. So put the noodles right in, and then you put the water, the boiling water, right over it. And if you're using for a stir fry, it says cover it for 2 minutes, but longer if you're not using it for stir fry. I'm going to go ahead and grab the water. I usually use a tea kettle, but today I am not. So I'm just going to cover and then let it stand for 2 minutes, and then I will be back and show you guys the finished product. Alright guys. So guys, this is the finished dish. It is really, really, really delicious. I can't stress enough how good it really is. The Nomadic Introvert uses the sriracha mayo, and my family members have used it and they really like it. And then I picked up some veggie sriracha. It's a True Made Foods veggie sriracha. I got it from Whole Foods. I haven't tried it other than just on my fingertip, and it's pretty hot. And there's no sugar added in this one. So guys, this is the finished dish. It is really delicious. Like I said, I've had it before like several times. This has just become a dish that I'm making a lot. But it's really, really delicious. And you can add in, you know, other vegetables if you want to add in other vegetables. You know, it's your dish, is up to you. So again, there's no measurements on this. This is just me putting in extra things that I seem to like. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and sometimes Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.